Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove anything from your photo using InShot editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all, make sure you have installed this InShot application on your mobile phone. You can get this application from Play Store if you are Android user, and you can get this application from Apple Store if you are iOS user. Once you have installed this application, you can open it, and you're going to go to the photo editor menu here and select new to create new project, and then you can choose a photo you want to remove an object from. For example, I'm going to remove unwanted object from this photo, so I'm going to choose the photo, and here we can use the remove feature in the InShot editor. Okay, you just need to scroll all the way to the right until you find this remove feature. And for your information guys, this feature is new in the InShot. So if you haven't got this feature on your InShot, you can go to your Play Store or Apple Store to update it. Once you have updated your InShot, I hope you will get this feature on your InShot. And then we can tap on this feature, and here we will have two different options. We have basic and advanced, and let's try the advanced feature. Okay, and unfortunately we need to subscribe to InShot to get this feature, but we will get one for free. Okay, I'm just going to close it, and let's use the basic. Okay, and then you can select the brush, and you can customize the size of the brush. Okay, I'm going to make it smaller, and we just need to draw on the object we want to remove like this, and the object will be automatically removed from our photo. Okay, as you can see guys, that the object has been completely removed from my photo, and let's try it one more time. I'm going to remove this one as well. Okay, that's so easy, right? And I know guys that this feature maybe will not work on all the types of the photo, especially when the background is not clear. Maybe it won't work perfectly, but at least it will help us to remove unwanted object from our photo. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from our photo using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!